Hello, I'm in a 2012 Honda Odyssey, and today I'm going to show you where your charger ports, aux port, and USB ports are. So from the front here, you've got a couple power ports right here you can plug into. Here you've got your aux port you can plug into. And then inside the glove box, you've got your USB cord here you can plug into. And then sometimes if you got an aftermarket radio installed, sometimes they'll run extra cords off to the side or into the glove box as well you can plug into. But I hope that was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And for an additional note, let's say something's not working properly, like these just aren't charging, you might want to check your fuses. A burnt fuse might make some of these systems not work properly. And then alternatively, let's say like just your aux one's not working right, or just one of these, or your USB, you might need to check behind the plastic. Maybe there's like a loose connection or something that needs repaired or reconnected. But otherwise, hope this was all helpful. Have a great one.